Okay, how to make a really quick English crumpet recipe, and it's incredibly easy. 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 big teaspoon of baking powder, and then mix all the dry ingredients together. Mix 2 teaspoons of active yeast into half a cup of warm water. Mix it up really good. Add about a bit more water in to take it up to 2 1/4 cups. Pour it into the mixture while beating it. The minute it's beaten, take it off, put a cover over it, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then you're ready to cook your English crumpets. And normally you cook them in those little rings, but that can be a real pain. So I cook it in a big saucepan, and it basically comes out the same, and then I cut it in quarters, and I can put it in the toaster and put what I want on it. I like butter and honey, and it's just a really delicious thing to eat. So if you know what English crumpets are like, it's just like a big version, and it's real quick, real easy.